This is a T5 UVA UVB 25 watt T5 lights. It's a 23-inch terrarium light fixture that sits on top of your aquarium, terrarium for your lizards, turtles, and more. Let's open this up, show you what it's about and how to install it. You have an instruction guide, the AC cable with an on and off switch, hardware, 2 hanging brackets, and a USB 10.0 bulb that must come out, and the inside film needs to be removed. Simply twist the bulb, pull out, take the film off, the bulb is fragile. Remove the foam and reinsert the bulb with the prongs facing correctly in and a gentle twist. How you hang your unit: you have a bolt that slides into the bracket, a washer, a wing nut, a set screw. On the unit, find a spot, press in, and adjust. On both of the sides, you're going to have a place to plug in your AC. If you want to extend your unit, you may do so. Match up like for like. Find a power source. Place on top of your terrarium. Flip the switch, and your lizard has now UVA and B lighting. The 10.0 T5 UVA and B light will give enough daylight for your lizard. If you're looking for lighting for your lizard to give him daylight and enough light, this light may be right for you. With Lucky HERP lighting systems for your terrarium, your dragon, your lizard, your turtle, I hope these lights are something that you are looking for to dress up and offer excellent care for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.